Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth for your Google account or for your Gmail account. So the first thing you need to do is just to open up the Gmail application, and once you're on the application, then just head over to the top right corner of the page and click the icon that has your initials on it. And once you do that, you have to make sure you are logged into the account you want to make changes to your date of birth or your age. So the next thing you need to do is to click on manage your Google account. And then you should see a page like this. Once you are here, you just click on personal information, and just at the middle of the page there you should see birthday. If I should click on this, now here you can easily change your date of birth of your Google account, and also you can decide to allow only you to see this information, or you can click on the icon here to make anyone that comes in contact with your account see your date of birth. And once you are satisfied with the made changes, you just click on save at the bottom right corner of the page, and this information will be updated for your Google account and whatever Google service linked to your Google account, like your Gmail and your YouTube account. Okay guys, I hope you found the video very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video. I post tech and social media tutorials all the time, so hopefully I see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.